Hello, my name is Trevor. I believe life is too short to be at one place. I am the adventurer. I explore, I enjoy, I travel. I'm the adventurer. I travel by bus, by train, by car, by plane, on foot. Be with me on my travels.
We are on our way to Zimbabwe. So we're going to travel with a truck. This truck, not this one, and not this one. This Mercedes-Benz truck from Johannesburg to Zimbabwe. So enjoy the drive. Let's go. Vura kurowa shofe vakudini akukonzo unga chiro nazo chaunoti totally ndiye chiri chii oh azozikamwa nani kuita truck driver zvamufane kunge uri bachura because tinongochinjana muromo ipapa saka ndo first drink ready. Okay.
Hey everyone, I'm Trevor. I live for adventure. Right now, I'm embarking on an epic journey from South Africa to Zimbabwe in a trusty truck. Get ready to experience the open road with me as I share amazing story, delicious food, and incredible places I discover along the way. We will explore bustling markets, try exotic dishes, and meet fascinating people who call this vibrant region home. So buckle up because this is going to be one wild ride. We are driving on the N1 and we are about to reach the Pumlan Toll Plaza. It's on the road between Pretoria and Bela Bela. This toll gate is managed by Bakwena Platinum Corridor concessionaires. Let's get ready to pay the toll and keep on going with our adventure. After paying the toll of 55 Rand, we didn't waste much time. We continued with our journey. As you see, South Africa is very beautiful roads.
Ramo dirigite yakata alright.
We are cruising on N1 and we are about to reach Carousel Toll Plaza. It's about 53 kilometers from the last toll gate, which is Pumlan. The toll plaza is managed by Bakwena Platinum Corridor concessionaires. Since we were in a truck, we will pay higher toll fees. For a vehicle, the toll is 249 Rand. So let's get ready to pay and keep on going with our adventure. Few kilometers from Carousel Toll Plaza, we reached Kranskop Beitbridge. So we off-ramp, then our truck was put to wait, then the wait was very good, and our driver just went out to talk with the authorities. Then in few minutes, he was done. Then he came back, then we continued with our truck. I was enjoying the journey, and we were traveling very nice with very good speed. The sun was about to hit the edges and the music was very nice. We were left with 155 kilometers to reach Polokwane, which is the capital of Limpopo province. We were approaching Kranskop Tour Plaza. We had few things we were supposed to drop in Modimolle. So we took the off-ramp towards Modimolle and we left in one.
Modimolle is also known as Nelstrom, which is a town located in Limpopo, and is also known for growing grapes and other citrus fruits, also cattle. Modimolle is 135 kilometers away or north side of Pretoria, and it's roughly about 84 miles away from Pretoria, which is the capital of South Africa. As we travel, sometimes we check if our brake lights are in the indicators are working. So now you see our truck is fine. Now we continue with the journey. We stopped on the way, on the highway in N1 to just see if everything is fine. But now our truck is sharp and we wanted to pee also. So now let's go. Saka now kuna boom, night boom. We are in a boom right now. Mokopong. We want to buy some food. Dokune KFC. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are Chenad. At night. Gambula. Right. Mokopong, formerly known as Nabum Spruit. It's a town which is located in Limpopo province, and it's 42 kilometers northeast of Modimolle and 52 kilometers away from Mahopane.
Polokwane, meaning sanctuary in northern South, also known as Pietersburg, is the capital city of the Limpopo province in South Africa. It is the country's largest urban center north of Gauteng. It was one of the 9 host cities of the 2010 FIFA World Cup. Louis Trichard, formerly Trichersdorp, and Makado from 2003 to 2014, informally shortened to LTT, is a town in Limpopo, South Africa. It is the foot of Songozwe in the South Spansberg Mountains and is the center of the Makado local municipality, which comprises of 16,000 kilometers square with a population of 270,000 2001.
Louis Trichard. Utandeye kuti zvidiko.
Aiwa. Auti uteneneza uterere konjirwa mu. Inobvaunza kunza ukadzoka kwauri. Wewe kwara chiridza rwaichi. Ko wanoisiyo.
Ka experience kanogodo pa kudrive.
Kamuka inozoita. Tani wamteni kukovatela kaubali wamaanza kufamba.
Kichanga chiri
Wes takarara murori. Takata kumesina. Right. Modzi yandati. Aiwa. Saka pashovu wambomudza kinduru noise. Kudati tichibaya. Right. We slept in the truck. Yeah. Ai benzi ndara. Zviro zviedzwa. Mane rida daudira diesel but diesel redu ranga rasatiraitawo. Zananje ramuka richipinda mari yedhiziri. Takuti tauchi. Saka muchikebhi ndio mune dhiziri. Alright. Sakure kurarama kuvaimbi. Kuna iye Nicholas Zakaria. Paja jora bubu 300. Bomba tsika dira. Right, gambla dinaro baba. Ramutsa machine. Saka manje aidzimi zvezve. Oh. But wakambozoona kuti mapambo anopombera mota hombe dzakasiyana nepamwe inopombera mota diki. Pressure yacho. Jeje tora chiri slow. We slept, guys. This is how truck drivers go through most cases. They sleep in their trucks. They beds, the trucks they have beds. So now we're going with ours. Ours is this one. Right-hand drive.
Musina, also known as Messina, is the northernmost town in the Limpopo province of South Africa. It is located near the confluence of the Limpopo River with the Sand River and the border to Zimbabwe, with a population of 20,000 to 40,000. Iron ore, coal, magnetite, graphite, asbestos, diamonds, semi-precious stones, and copper are mined in the region. Baba mjobeki. Yeah. Banda ebunu.
Date Gauteng.
Nyuani. Unaenda mbiri mdara. Hapa boti. Ganya. Abo. Cha. Waribukai. Au cha. Wakomana manengo achiprocess ama papers.
Ai, zema pode. Totoziya kajinda katanonga pakati.
Pakyo. Maybe nyaya kuti weekend food then. Kodi. Ndizwe chanda sei unobva nelodi huku andika ufanga waenda nayo huku ukrosa maboda tu sa everybody unongofanga kutsvaka agent Sergeant anika chiprocess chi.
Imagine kuno ku South African side.
Mapepers ekuti zvinhu zvako zviri right kucrossa kana.
Ndiye anocommunicate nezimwe
customs. Customs.
The customs. Kuwirira right ball bepa rava ready kuti mota ipinde muboda.
Alright.
Right wopinda. Kuseri ukafuti kuna agent anonoita mapepers futi.
Ekuti
uko kweZimside dynamical odds. Ndiye ari kuita mapepa ese. Ndiye anonzi kana iri transit. Ndiye ane mari inobatwa nezimura. Kunzi iwe tobata mari yako yebond kuti reshuwa mota iri kucrossa kunosvika kunyamapanda. Kana mota isvika kunyamapanda mari inobva yadzoswa.
Sai anobhadharwa nani munhu? Mumbhadhare mimi.
Aiwa. Iye agent anobhadharwa client. Client iyo mari yake ndio anozoisa kuzimura. Mari yake kuzimura kana wasvika kunyamapanda mari inotorwa idzoka futi back kupi kuna agent. Totora zvomumwe agent woMozambique. Same order kusvika wazonopinda munyika mako mairi kufanira kuenda load ichipinda munyika inofanira kuconfirm kuti yabhadhara duty here kana yabhadhara duty rondo risingazodzoki kuna agent rinongoenda kachosa
kunyika. Okay,
zvapera apa vanenge vachiita mota ikaofloda muZimbabwe yakanzi transit havichapindi isina kubhadhara duty vanozobata
mari iya
kana riri shoma vakutosiza achi goods rere.
Alright.
Mari yavo ko kana iri shoma yebondi vanosiza goods kwaraini vaoflodera kutoni.
That's skillful. Zipper border. So as you enter on the border, South African side, just on the left side, ndopane truck stop. Vanhu vanenge vaida kuprocessa mapapers avo. So all the trucks are waiting processa mapapers avo. Sando patiri kuda kugadzira zvinhu vatida kuti tuone kuti what's going on. But ndinawo mashofa angu aya. Sadza renyu riri kumesmerize. Good morning guys. We slept in the truck again. Umwari kushanyarika ari kuseri. Pakare paya gambori. Kwai vanhu magambula varume. Guys, because tomorrow I'm supposed to go to work, I can't keep on waiting with these guys. It's taking long now. It's been more than 24 hours while we were here, so now I should be on my way to Zim, then come back in the afternoon going to Johannesburg. Crossing the borderline, now on my way to the other side, but there's too much theft here, so I must keep my phone safe. So now I'm gonna put my phone in a safe space. Beitbridge. It's a really important and busy border crossing between South Africa and Zimbabwe. The crossing has rich history, especially with the construction of the Alfred Beitbridge in 1929. This bridge really boosted trade and travel between two countries, helping both economies grow. Today, Beitbridge is a bustling town that's a major hub for trade and travel in the region. There is different ways to go into the terminal, but now I'm using the one for pedestrians. If you have vehicles, small cars, you can go through this one, but if you have trucks or buses, they go to that side. Let's dive into the newly Zimbabwe-built Beitbridge border post.
Zim Borders was given contract by the government of Zimbabwe to upgrade, improve the Beitbridge border post through a build, operation and transfer project. Zim Borders chose Rubex to carry out the construction work. The upgrade includes separating traffic into 3 groups: freight trucks, buses, and light vehicles and pedestrians. Each group will have its own new immigration buildings, freight warehouses, scanner facilities, and other support services. The project also brings improvement to the town of Beitbridge, such as a new 11.4 million litre of water reservoir, 220 houses for staff, a new fire station, an animal quarantine center, an oxidation dam for waste treatment.
It's stolen, it is parked here, or something happens, something's wrong with the car, they park it on the impound yard, then you're going to be penalized to pay some fines. It is me crossing the border. Now I'm in Zim side right now. I feel safe because I'm in my country. No one is gonna steal from me because this is my country. Zimbabwe is safer than South Africa. In South Africa, anything can happen to you. But here, I feel safe. I can shoot a video whenever I want to. No one is gonna steal this S25 Ultra from me. This is Beitbridge border post. I'm in Zimbabwe side right now. This whole struggle, now I'm in my country. But the next thing I must do, I must find a taxi where I can get, it's either a straight taxi to Rutenga where I'm going, or I can pick a taxi from there where you can get easy taxis. So right now, I'm gonna see which one is going to be easy for me. But it's easy because I'm talking Shona here. Shona, so no hassles. Then they don't want to speak English, they want you to speak Zulu, and you're not Zulu. You just Shona. Across the border post, you start to see bunch of taxis. Everyone is doing business, hustlers around here. So the easiest thing to do for you is just look for what you want, then you go. Unfortunately, ndikapinde mubhazi because arana munhu saka kwakutongotsvaka taxi inosvika. Mota dzambonetsa panapo kuhaika. So finally I've arrived in Rutenga. So this is our area. It looks like savannah area. This is where I grew up, and we used to play soccer in this this stadium. This is our stadiums here, right? In the dry season like this, it's very savannah. But when it's rain season, then the greens comes back. But you can see a lot of dust. And see, this is Zimbabwe. So don't ask me when you see me outside of the country and say, why are you not in Zimbabwe? Sometimes where we stay, it's very difficult to survive. Rutenga. It's a small but important town in Zimbabwe, mainly because it's a key spot for both road and rail travel. The A4 highway, which connects Zimbabwe to South Africa, runs through it. Rutenga's growth has been linked to this.